Now we will attach the reference array to the mount. The 3 magnetic spheres attached to the 3 sockets on the plate. These spheres and sockets are configured to provide one possible orientation. When attaching initially, make sure the 3 spheres attach properly and are locked into positioning, ensuring that they are flush. If the magnets are not connected properly, issues can occur in the patient registration, causing errors to the navigation accuracy. When preparing a sterile field for surgery, remove the magnetic portion of the array and lay sterile drapes over the array mount. Once the field is prepped, you can place a sterile reference array onto the mount over the drapes. Ensure a solid connection at all 3 magnetic points. Once the sterile field has been prepped and the reference array reattached, please recheck the patient registration with a sterile navigation pointer to ensure that the registration is valid prior to making incision.